Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you will be able to solve this type of maths Olympiad question. When we look at the question very well, we have a quadratic equation and then we are asked to find the value of the expression x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6. When we look at the quadratic equation, we see that we cannot factorize it, and that is why we cannot easily get the value of x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6. So what we are going to do is to do a kind of arrangement, a kind of rearrangement to the quadratic equation. Now, solution, if I have x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, if I divide through by x, I'm going to have x minus 3 plus 1 over x equal to 0. Now, by the time I remove this minus 3 and transpose it to the other side, I'm going to have x plus 1 over x. Okay, because this will move closer to x, so that I have x plus 1 over x. Then this one transposing to this side, we turn to positive 3. Now, let's call this equation asterisk or equation 1. Now, what are we going to do to these so that we can be getting close to x raised to power 6? The first thing we are going to do is to cube both sides of equation asterisk. So cube both sides, x plus 1 over x all raised to power 3 equals to 3 raised to power 3. Now, what are we going to do next? We are going to expand x plus 1 over x raised to power of 3. So x plus 1 over x into x plus 1 over x into x plus 1 over x equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 27. Now let's move on. Let's expand these two brackets first. Now x multiplied by x will give me x squared. X multiplied by 1 over x will give me 1. Okay, 1 over x multiply with x will give me another 1. Then 1 over x multiply with 1 over x will give me 1 over x squared. All right. Now I'm having x plus 1 over x here. Everything equals to 27. Now, by the time we bring this and this closer to each other, we are going to have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. You close the bracket and then open the bracket for x plus 1 over x, close the bracket, equals to 27. Now, let's complete the expansion by using the expression here to open this expression inside this bracket. X multiplied by x squared will give me x raised to power 3. X multiply with 1 over x squared will give me 1 over x. X multiply with 2 will give me 2x. Now I'm done using this to multiply this, and I'm going to use 1 over x now. 1 over x multiply with x squared will give me what? Will give me x. Okay? And 1 over x multiply with 1 over x squared will give me 1 over x cubed. Then 1 over x multiply with 2 will give me 2 over x, and everything equals to 27. Now, from this point, we are going to bring these two terms together. So x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3. And we can decide to add this together. 2x plus x will give us 3x. Now, 1 over x plus 2 over x, we need to bring it together and add it together also. All right, so this is x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x cubed, then plus 3x. Now, by the time we add this together, okay, since the LCM is x, 1 plus 2 will give us 3. So 3 over x everything equals to 27. Now, we need to look at these two terms and look at what is common. What is common to both sides is 3. So by the time we factor out 3, we are going to have, already we have 3 cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 into x plus 1 over x equals to what? 27. Now, from equation star, 1 plus 1 over x is equal to 3. So that means I can bring 3 here as a value to replace x plus 1 over x. So x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 multiplied by 3, since the value of what is here is 3. So I will just put 3 here equals to 27. Now, what are we going to do? X raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3 equals to 27. By the time you multiply these two, you get 9. The 9 will be transposed to this side to turn to negative 9. So, what are we going to do next? We are going to say x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3 equals to 18. All right, now from this level, what we are going to do is we are going to we are going to square both sides. Since what we want to achieve is x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6. How can we achieve that? The best way to do that is for us to square both sides again. So we are going to square both sides again, and by the time we do that, we will be able to get x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6. So let's quickly square both side. Let's square both side. Let's square both side. Just clean this off, and then we have this is the point we arrive at. We arrive at x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3 equals to 18. So we are going to square both sides. Let's square both sides. By the time we square both sides, we will get our answer. All right, so if I square both sides here, I'm going to have x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3 into x raised to power 3 plus 1 over x raised to power 3. Close the bracket, equals to, now 18 squared. When you multiply 18 with 18, is going to give us that is 2 2 324. That will give us 324. Okay, 324 is our 18 squared. Now we expand this. X cubed multiplied by x cubed will give me x raised to power 6. X cubed multiplied by 1 over x cubed will give me 1. 1 over x cubed multiplied by x cubed will give me 1. 1 over x cubed plus multiplied by 1 over x cubed will give me 1 over x raised to power 6. Everything equals to 324. All right. So what are we going to do now? We bring these two together so that we have x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6 equals to 324. Okay. Let me quickly confirm the square of 18. 8 times 8 is 64. That is 14. 1, 4, 3. Yeah, the answer is 324. That is correct. So by the time we add these two together, that will give us 2. We transpose to this side to turn to minus 2. So finally, our required answer is x raised to power 6 plus x raised to power 6 equals to 322. And this is the answer that we need. That is the answer to x raised to power 6 plus 1 over x raised to power 6. Please don't forget to like my channel and subscribe for more videos.